Garage door opener keypad code not accepted? Here's the lowdown on how to reset and reprogram that keypad, so you're not stuck outside your own garage, you know? First off, if your keypad isn't accepting the code, don't freak out. Grab your garage door opener manual or find the model number on the unit itself because you'll need it for some specific steps. Usually, you gotta press a Learn or Program button on the garage door motor unit, which is typically mounted on the ceiling inside your garage. Once you hit that button, you have a short window, like 30 seconds, to enter your new code on the keypad, and then press the Enter or Lock button. Make sure your new code is something memorable but not super obvious, like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you mess up, just wait a minute and try again from the start. Also, check the keypad batteries because dead ones will stop it from working even if the code is right. Lastly, if your keypad has a reset option, use it before programming to clear any old codes that might be messing things up. One of the biggest mistakes with garage door opener keypad codes not working is not pressing the Learn button for long enough, or at all, so the system never enters programming mode. That's an easy fix by holding it down until the light blinks. Another common issue is using weak or dead batteries in the keypad. Swapping those out usually solves the problem fast. The third thing is entering the wrong code repeatedly without resetting, which can lock your system temporarily. Just wait for a few minutes and start fresh with a reset and reprogram. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, contractors get connected with people who actually need their services, so it's a win-win for everyone trying to handle home projects without the usual hassle.